This represents the pinnacle of European aerospace engineering, ensuring the security of the skies.
Permission. Check the alignment on section 4. Looks good from here, we can proceed.
We need the torque wrench for these bolts.
Inside this vast facility, precision is paramount. Here we see the spherical cockpit being moved, followed by
slow down on the right side.
Copy that, lowering slightly. Watch the clearance on bay 4. Easy now, keep it moving straight. Clear on the left, coming through. Hold it there, we're almost aligned. Check the torque on the starboard bolts.
Already done? Moving to the next section.
A separate workstation is used to prepare the wing for assembly before it can be married to the fuselage.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Clear on this end. Locking clamps engaged.
We need to secure the panel on the starboard side. Okay, I'm moving the platform up now.
We need that panel secured by noon.
Roger that, almost done here.
Torque setting confirmed on the actuator brace.
Copy that. Moving to the next panel now. Slowly now, watch the alignment. Looks good on this side, hold it steady. Confirmed, locking it in place. Easy now, easy. Steady on the left side. Almost there.
Before the painting process can begin, the surface of the aircraft must be meticulously cleaned in this dedicated preparation shop.
Check the pressure on the sprayers. We need an even application across the fuselage before the next shift arrives.
Okay, lift sequence initiated on NT1.
Runway clear. Confirm final checks.
we need the torque wrench over here. Bringing it right now. Watch the clearance on the module. Check the torque on line 3.
Reading green.
Looks good from here. Log it. This revision changes the placement slightly. All right, let's double check the coordinates. Check section 4B again. The tolerances look tight here. We need to adjust the alignment before riveting.
The assembly process requires meticulous attention to detail and adherence to strict safety protocols.
Slowly now, watch your clearance on the starboard side.
Holding steady, boss. Looks aligned.
All right, easy down, perfect. Okay, bring it down slowly, watch the left side. Clear on the left. Hold it steady now, just a little lower. All right, hold it right there. We have clearance on the left. Copy that. Proceed slowly. Check the alignment on sector 4.
Reading steady at 0.05. Looks good.
Here on the factory floor, human ingenuity meets advanced technology as the next generation of defense takes shape.
Secure that orange wire first. Aligning it now. Did you connect the auxiliary line to the port?
Yes, just finished securing it. Need the torque wrench.
In confined spaces, lighting is a problem, so engineers use flashlights to help them identify components.
Check the alignment on panel 4. Looks good from here. Secure the connection.
All right, slowly to the right.
Copy that. Watching the clearance.
Looks good, keep it steady. Check the torque on those rivets, number 12 specifically. Reading green. Looks good to secure.
Clear on the left side.
Copy that, moving slowly, keep it steady. Bring it down 20 feet. 20 feet, understood. Watch the clearance on the right. Easy now, watch the starboard side. Clear on the left, keep it steady. Steady now, bring it down 5 centimeters.
Steady on the hoist. This export model needs to be flawless.
Roger that, watching the stabilizers.
Tension on the floor. The F-16 hoist sequence is now active. All teams stand clear.
Lower the main hoist, steady speed.
Clearance check, Bay 3.
Confirmed clear, continue descent.
A little to the left, slow it down. Copy that. Watching the clearance on the right side.
Check the tolerances on the fuselage mount.
Looks good from here. Proceeding with the panel installation.
A little to the left now, steady.
Cop that. Watching the clearance on this side. Okay, bring the next section forward slowly. Copy that. Watching the clearance on the starboard side.
Alignment looks good. Bring it down 5 centimeters.
Roger. Coming down slowly.
Easy on the starboard side.
Copy that. Watching the clearance now.
Attention all teams. The fuselage transfer to Station 4 is commencing. Ensure all pathways are clear.
Easy now. Bring it down 5 meters.
Copy that. Watching the starboard side clearance.
Clear to set.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Copy that. Watching the starboard side clearance.
Looks good here. Easy now.
Down slowly. Watch the clearance on the right. Copy that. Coming down easy. Looks good.
Easy on the descent. We're almost aligned.
Clear on the left.
All right, easy on the left side. Watch the clearance. Got it. Rolling it into position now.
Check the alignment on this wing panel. Looks good from up here. Secure it. Okay, easy now. Keep it steady on your side. Almost there. Looks aligned. Go ahead.
The reading is exactly where it should be, 0.005.
Good. Let's double check the next section. Check the tolerances on section 4B.
Looks good, but verify the wiring harness length. The heartbeat of a new era in flight begins here, built with American pride and unmatched precision. Check the alignment on Sector 3.
Readings are stable. We have full coverage.
Check the turbine blades right there.
Adjusting the parameters now, optimizing the mesh density.
Slow and steady on the left side.
Copy that. Watching the clearance now. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Slow it down, just a little lower. All right, easy now, easy. Easy now, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. Looks aligned, lower it another inch.
Easy on the left. Watch the cables.
Clear on the right. Lowering slowly.
Clear the area, closing canopy.
Roger that. Pressure checks initiated.